Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going drifting. We brought out the... Oh, we kind of need a nickname for it, hey? Let me know in the comments below what we should name it. I'm just going to call it the Ute. So we brought the Ute out. We're going to have a crack at the wet pan tonight. It's more of a test and tune sort of thing than a real event. It's just going to be have a crack, see what breaks, see what could be improved on, or what works, you know, because this hasn't seen a track yet. It's pretty much been driven around a car park, make sure it steers straight. So yeah, we're waiting at the front at the moment, just waiting for gates to open, and we'll catch up when we get in there. Alright guys, we're unloaded, we're actually in line at the moment. The track looks super slippery, it looks bad. So we're going to go through scrutineering, the tech, a few other guys, get it checked out, hopefully all is good, and we'll hit the... Alright, weird. I think that last clip cut off, but anyway, that was a mission. I had to do a lot of paperwork because I got lazy at work and I didn't print off the form, so I wasn't ready, and then the lady's getting flustered because there's like 30 people trying to get all their stuff done. But yeah, this is the wet track, check it out. Pretty cool. It's just one big concrete park and it's wet and you go for your life. It's mad. So I'm not really sure how this video will come out. I don't know if the lights are going to be glary or anything like that, but I'll do my best. If it doesn't come out good, you guys won't see this. If it comes out decent enough, I'll post it. Anyway, let's check out some drifting.
Alright guys, I hope you can see. I just sort of stuck a GoPro mount up anywhere and hope for the best. But this is our first time in. We'll probably take it easy for the first couple of laps, or like goes around, and then we'll give it a clutch kick and see what happens. Alright guys, that was a bit of an eye-opener. This is round 2. Gonna give it another good crack. Something happened, I think it's because I'm not used to the steering in this one. This got modified steering angle and shit, so I'm not quite used to how fragile and quick turning the steering is. So hopefully this round goes a bit better. I do have a bit of an issue with it misfiring at low RPM, but as soon as I get it up on the limiter, it seems to be okay. Anyway, let's get into it. Commodore life.
Bullshit. Commodore's better than that.
Alright, we have a bit of an issue. It started misfiring like I thought it would. It's not really that hot, it's only sitting at about 105 degrees. So that's not that bad, but yeah, it's just engine lights on, it doesn't want to play ball at the moment. It just shut down on me mid-drift and I had to get off so I didn't get anyone's way. it started. I'm not really too bothered about it blowing up, so you know, if it goes bang, I can just put it back on the trailer and we go home and we build it better. So we'll head back up, see if it's able to do another couple of laps. I'll do one more, then we'll go for a cool down and we'll just watch a couple of other dudes race. Alrighty, I'm not really quite sure what's going on. I just know that whenever I put it near the start line, it wants to misfire. But now it's okay. Like, I'm so confused. Everything seems okay. I thought maybe the issue was because I didn't put the heat shields back on the leads. Maybe they're getting really hot and it's causing a miss. But like they're brand new leads and they're a pretty decent quality one, so hopefully it's not that. It doesn't look like my intake's causing an issue. The math's all good. I'm not really sure. I hope it isn't over as quick as it began. Like, I'd really like to, oh, with the light. I'd really like to get a couple more drifts in, but if this one's the last one, I'm sorry, this is going to be a pretty short video. But I'll put the GoPro on the roof this time, and we'll get some outside shots.
Oh dear. So it looks like it's all over Red Rover. I went out for one last one to see how it would go. It seems like it's sort of running out of fuel and misfiring like that, but I got through one corner. I don't know if Bella videoed it or not, but I got through one corner and instantly straight away started misfiring. It wasn't even hot, it was sitting at 80 degrees, so we'll get it home and check it out. I got a feeling because it's got no spark, the crank angle sensor is no good, and like the sensor just overheats and they fail. So we'll get that sorted out. I'll put a new one in whenever I get around to it. The next event I think is on the 8th of October, so I have 2 weeks to get it done, and we'll get back out here. So thanks for watching the video. If you liked, leave a thumbs up and do the little comment thingy if you want to see anything, if you want to see me do anything with the car. In about 6 months time, this engine will not be there anymore. There'll be something else in it, but I haven't decided what. So yeah, thanks guys, see you later.